Welcome to the project demonstration of automatic car security system and along with reporting. So here our main purpose of this project is, so inside the car we are going to provide the security for the passengers along with sending message alerts with location based mapping link. And here the main input sensors to the Arduino Uno boards are gas sensor and alcohol sensor and the SOS switch. So these three are the input modules to the Arduino Uno, and the output modules are GSM, and input will get the GPS location. As we know that GPS will provide the PVT, position velocity time, and the location will be sent along with the indication and also driver details, as we are getting the driver details from the RFID reader to the RFID tags. So initially when we switch on this kit, it will ask for the show the RFID tag of the driver. So when the access, this one is a granted one and this is the not valid one. So when we show this access granted enabled card to the RFID reader, and this same information will be given to the Arduino Uno board, and the Arduino Uno board will check the database and it will provide the driver name and his phone number and his address into the database, and whenever the number will be displayed on the LCD and will give the authorized. And then if is there any abnormalities detected from these sensors, so like alcohol detected or gas leakage or SOS pressed, then along with the driver name, phone number, address will be sent to the predefined phone number. So already we are going to be stored one phone number inside this Arduino Uno board. So let us see the demonstration. So here one main important step is, like, this is the main power supply adapter. So before providing the power supply to that, we need to insert a valid SIM card into the GSM modem, and it should have the message balance, and it should be other than Geo. It should be the Airtel or a VI. And after that, inserting properly into this SIM card slot and give the power supply, and reset button should be hold till the GSM modem get the signal. So here we can see that one light is blinking very fast, the green light. So it's trying to get the signal. Once it get the signal, right now the frequencies comes down to 3 seconds per blink. Okay, and at this section we should release the button. So why? Because so when we switch on this kit, the Arduino Uno will send the AT commands to the GSM modem to enable it to send the messages. So if we send the AT commands to the GSM modem before it get the signal, then the particular AT commands of sending messages will not be enabled. So now I'm releasing that. And also one more LED on the GPS, so it indicating as the GPS got the satellite signal. So if it is not blinking, there is no satellite signal. So we should demonstrate this project under the sky view, then only the particular GPS will get the satellite signals. As we know that GPS is based on the trilateration method. So till this GPS get the 3 satellites information, it won't give the PVT, and the position velocity time. So on the LCD we can see that show the tag. See, now it is asking for show the tag. So once we show the tag on this RFID tag, so RFID reader is authorized, and it will show the latitude longitude values as the GPS got the signal and the motor got switched on. So now let us see the malfunctioning inputs to the sensors. So here we are going to provide the gas to the gas sensor. So there will be one light indication on the gas sensor, as well as we can see the gas level high on the screen. Okay, and it will send the message alerts, and my mobile phone will get the gas level is high, right, continuously sending receiving the messages. So when we click on this, directly it will ask for the Google Maps, and we can directly Eureka Code Complex, it's our address. Directly the location will be placed, right? Okay, so this is our location where we are now present. So this is the alcohol, gas detection. And coming to the alcohol, so just we are going to show the marker. We can show the any like a surgical spirit or any other things, so that it will be detected by the now alcohol detected, and the motor will be off, and we'll get the message alert again. We got the message, alcohol detected, and same location. And coming to this SOS also in the same manner. So just hold the button for 2 seconds, SOS alert will be displayed on the LCD screen, and as usually motor will be off, and we'll get the message alert of SOS alerts. Okay, and coming to this input connections in the project, So coming to this gas sensor interface at the A0 and alcohol sensor interface at A1, and SOS switch is interface at the A2 pins of UNO board. And the next DC motor interface at the 12th pin of the UNO board, and this is the transistor board in order to on and off this DC motor. So this is only acting as a switch, and this board it will act as a breadboard. So in order to distribute the 5 volts power supply through the all these modules. And RFID reader, so BM18 is a model number. It is interface at 8th and 9 pins of Arduino UNO, and LCD 16:2 LCD. We interface this to the 2 to 7 pins of UNO board. And the GSM is interfaced with GSM and GPS both interfaced at the 0 and 1. So you see directly hardware serial communication pins of Arduino UNO board. So this is all about the circuit connections. Okay, thank you.